When God want to provide for you, he know how to set you up. And so when the king came in, he said, what in the world is going on? He said, not only, my God, I gave you a little prestige, and now you want to take my queen. And he said to the people, and said, what, my God, said, you're going to be, you need to get out of here. And one of his servants said, Master, said, there's a gallows already prepared. Help me say, a gallows already prepared. And he said, take him down to the gallows that he built for Mordecai, and they hung Haman on the gallows. And not only did they hang him, they killed most of his family, because we don't need Hamans in the church. My God, we don't need them in the church. So when in the Bible we find that when they got rid of one of the crooks, they got rid of all of them. God, I need some help here. And so she told, then the queen said, I got the king's attention. And she said, there is a letter signed. And said the letter said that this person can kill all the Jews. And she said to the king, she said, I am a Jew. She made known who she was, but love, help me say love, look beyond faults. Love will make you do things that you never would do. Mordecai said, in other words, he said, I don't care if you're a Jew, I'm in love. And he said, listen, listen, Esther, said, whatever you want to do. Said, I know the letter is signed, but I'm writing another letter. He said, on that day, get the word out to every Jew that fight for their rights. They can defend themselves. And whatever they need, Esther, I'm putting you in charge. And so Esther goes back and sends a letter to Mordecai. And Mordecai sent a letter all over to the 120 province, and the letter was there. On that day, Jews, fight for yourself. And I stop by to tell you, it's a time now that the church got to fight for themselves. We can't wait on welfare. We can't wait for no letter signed. We got to fight for ourselves. We got to go back to fasting. We got to go back to praying. We got to go back to doing the thing that God brought us out. He didn't bring us out with a Social Security card. He didn't bring us out with a Medicare card. He didn't bring us out with a food stamp card. But he brought us out in a mighty way. He fed us when we was hungry. He healed us when we were sick. He opened doors when we didn't have no door. Hallelujah.